squish. I'm back. So, I have squish. This is my dream squish. I hope if yellow. I love yellow. This is my teddy bear. So, I'm going to get yellow. I hope it's yellow. If this orange, I like orange, but I want yellow. So, let's see. 3, 2, 1. It's yellow. It's yellow! Wow! Ito. I love her texture. What is this? It's slime. It's slime. Slime. I love this. Oh, God. I love this dumpling. This is so cute. Look, the face is going no more now. Look, comment who I going to name this on the comment section. Bye.